something I've been wanting to do for a long time, which is turn one of these, a leaf spring off an old Holden, into one of these, a longbow. Giving thoughts to sticking it in the forge and turning it into a recurve, but for the time being I'll just leave it like this. I'm still waiting for the string to come, so I haven't strung it yet or finished off the tips, but so far it's looking good. Now I'll just show you how we got it done. There's a lot of grinding. Grinding time. More grinding. More grinding. more grinding. Now, just to be different, some more grinding. Now it's just time to shape it. I'm going to shape it up and resin it to the actual bow, and probably put some few screws in to hold it in place. Cool. Now that it's been roughly sanded, it's time to hand sand, and then we'll resin it into place. Let's get on it. Okay, now it's time for my favourite part. Epoxy resin time. Don't know why, I just like using epoxy resin. As you can tell, I don't really have a very clean workshop. Doesn't really bother me. Okay, so after weeks of waiting, I finally got my string through the post. I got myself a 51-inch string, which will go on a 54-inch bow. Should keep it nice and taut. The only problem is the ends are really rather tight. I don't know if they're supposed to be made that way. Let me know in the comments below. One end is slightly smaller than the other as well, which is odd, but they seem like very good, strong 16 string strings. So yes, with the tight nooses on the end, I'm going to have to bring these down a lot. I'll put a little groove in there to stop the string coming off. But yeah, now that I've received it, I can get onto it. Let's trim up the ends of the bow. One other thing I have done is I've taken off a bit of the metal along the sides of the tips of the bow, just to make it into more of an arch shape. That way there's a little less metal, there's a little less power, but there's a lot more manoeuvrability. I can use it a lot better. It should have a good spring to it once it's done. Without further ado, let's get onto it. Using a slightly thicker cutting disc now, and I don't want to go too deep. That should be enough. Now for the side. Oh. Okay, hinge is knocked. Ends knocked up. Hard to see in this light, but yeah, they're knocked. Let's string this bad boy up. Okay people, the ends are knocked. All that's left is to string it up and see how it goes. Stick the little end in first. I've already snapped one of the fucking strings. Knew I should have ordered two. Oh, better place than the order soon. Jesus Christ, that's it. Let me lean into it. Oh. Ooh. Now that is a tight bow. Oh, Jesus Christ. That is going to launch some serious power. So, all there's left to do is clean it up a bit. See if I can order another string, but this should be good for a while. And next video should be me shooting stuff out in the fields. Good times.